Hey friends, my name is Naresh Mathur and let me tell you one of the very important thing which you need to know. If you are really, like aspiring to become one of the very great personality in your life, if you're concerned to become one of the great personality, a great man, or you want to achieve your goal in your life, only one thing can take you there, and it is before telling this secret, it's not a secret, maybe you are knowing or may not knowing, but I'll tell you this one. Let me tell you what can happen, what cannot happen actually. If you're following this, you can achieve your goal, your mission, your vision, or whatever you are having in your life, or whatever you've thought about it in the next 5 years or 10 years down the line, you want to achieve in your life, you can achieve it. There is no doubt for that. But if you don't follow, forget it, you cannot become, you cannot do, and you'll remain always an average. Now you decide whether you want to remain an average person or you want to become somebody, an extraordinary personality, a great personality. Now you have to decide. Now if you're really thinking that you wanted to become something in your life, then let me tell you, and it's a very important thing, only this thing can take you there very far. Keeping all these skills and everything, whatever is required for you, technical skills or interpersonal skills or whatever, one thing is that which you need to implement is that you have to be consistent. It is a consistent recipe which is going to pull you till there. If you're not consistent, you cannot become the successful. Compare all the great personality and ask them what was that element which was missing in the other people. Lot of people start together, but this is the element which is missing in lot of people. And you'll find it. It is the consistency. McDonald was built. How it was built, the honor, which was not the actual honor. It was stolen from other person. And how he was able to do it? He was not able to get that deal actually. He was convincing them, he was rejecting them. The actual owner was rejecting him again and again. But he did not lose. He did not quit there. He was just trying again and again and again and again, and at the last he got it. And what was it? It was consistency. He was doing again and again and again. He did not lose actually. Lot of problem came, lot of failures came. In fact, he got broke at one point of time. He got divorced. Lot of things came. Even his own employee left. Lot of things came. Lot of challenges came. But he was consistent. He knew he wanted to reach there and he can do it. And he did it. Finally we know McDonald's is a great chain of food, of fast food. We enjoy and it is everywhere. And it was his initiative that it was spread to all over the world. Otherwise the original honor was not agreeing to spread to all over the world. So if you can visualize yourself where you want to see and you want to achieve in your life, then consistency is the only key which can take you. And this was, even he mentioned it, the new owner of the original new owner of the McDonald's, he mentioned that consistency was the key which took him from there to there. Earlier he was a salesman, but then he became the owner of the whole fast food chain. And we know how important it is. So that's all for today. I hope you are able to understand the importance of consistency. Just implement every day. Maintain the pace. Don't quit. Quitting is failing. If you quit, then it's done. You cannot do anything. That's all for today. If you really like it, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. I'll be coming frequently, regularly with some motivational quotes and some important implementable message. Till then, see you. Bye-bye. Take care.